Welcome to the YieldWise post-harvest loss dashboard. This dashboard was created to visualize and analyze post-harvest losses in three commodity value chains, namely mango in Kenya, maize in Tanzania, and tomato in Nigeria. The data were obtained as a result of the Rockefeller Foundation YieldWise initiative and subsequently underwent an extensive screening process prior to being placed in the dashboard. In this video, I will show you how to navigate the dashboard. We will look at the mango value chain as an example, since all three value chains are structured similarly. The dashboard user will be able to, firstly, visualize post-harvest losses at various stages of the value chain by selecting one factor at a time. To do so, you will have to click on the desired value chain menu, such as mango in Kenya, then click on the post-harvest loss submenu. In this list of factors, select any of the factors to visualize the corresponding post-harvest losses. For example, when you select the county factor located at the top of the list, two graphs appear. The bar graph on the left-hand side of the screen shows average mango post-harvest losses per farmer at various stages of the mango value chain. Meanwhile, the box plots on the right-hand side of the screen show the distribution of mango post-harvest losses per farmer, also at various stages of the value chain. The various counties are categorized by colors and shown in the legend, whereby the N values represent the number of farmers for each category of county. It is important to note that the bar graphs summarize the YieldWise data by averages, but do not test for statistical significance. Therefore, a statistical test has to be performed to show statistical differences. While most factors are categorical, meaning they group data in categories, some factors, such as mango price, are numerical. Hence, a correlation plot is used to visualize them. This plot, for example, shows the correlation between mango prices and mango post-harvest losses at the various stages of the value chain. The second important feature of this dashboard is the ability to visualize post-harvest loss at various stages of the value chain, but this time by choosing a combination of factors instead of one factor at a time. To do so, you will have to click on the Analyze submenu, then select Combine Variables. Within the body of the dashboard, locate the Select Factor box in the top right corner and click in the white field within the box. From the drop-down list, select any of the 20 factors such as county. See how the graph that appears only shows county. Then select another factor such as labor cost. You can now see how the previously selected county factor has been combined with the labor cost. This newly generated graph shows post-harvest losses per county while specifying whether or not a farmer spent money on labor. You can combine as many factors as you want. However, combining less than 3 factors is strongly recommended as it makes visualization and interpretation easier. You can remove a factor by pressing the backspace key on your keyboard. Also, within the Analyze submenu and under Mango Post-Harvest Loss Factor Importance Ranking, all factors were ranked based on their importance or predictive power. This was done by using the Random Forest predictive model. So in this table, all factors are listed in the first column in the order of their ranking values. The ranking values are shown in the second column, whereby a large value indicates a higher importance or a higher predictive power. The significance of each importance is shown in the third column with a p-value threshold of 0.05. Lastly, all factors and the types of post-harvest losses along the value chain were further described in more detail for better understanding. Their descriptions are located in the Glossary of Terms submenu. After clicking on it, the first table you see describes the factors and their subsets. Then adjacent to it is another table that describes the types of post-harvest losses at each stage of the value chain. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you find this dashboard useful. For any questions or comments, please contact HoriCH@iastate.edu.